What's the best way to take apart the Fisher-Price Rock and Place sleeper? It can be difficult because it's not meant to come apart. So in this video, I'll show you the best way to take the sleeper apart so you can get at the hub assembly pieces that you need to send back for the refund. Keep watching. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. And tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. You've heard the news about the Fisher-Price Rock and Place sleeper recall. You've stopped using it, and now you want to apply for a refund, but you've got to take it apart to get at the two hub assembly pieces that you're required to send back as part of the refund process. Well, you might want to have a hammer or a rubber mallet on hand because it will be so much easier to take it apart if you've got one of those tools. Let's get it started. So you can see here where the rods fit one into the other, and so when I try to pull the legs apart, I want to separate them from those places. So here's how you do it. Place the sleeper on the side and try to pull the legs off. But this is really hard to do, and it takes quite a bit of strength because it's not meant to come apart. The easiest way to get the leg off is to take a hammer and strike it a couple of times with a downward blow. This loosens it up enough to pull it apart. And then do the same thing on the other side, and then set those pieces aside. To get at the top pieces, you want to collapse the Rock and Place sleeper by pushing the buttons on the side and then folding it over and laying it on its side. And you can see where one piece has been inserted up into the other. And again, it's probably not going to come apart very easily, so you can take the rubber mallet and strike it that way, and that will loosen it up just enough to pull it apart. And then once you release the hub assembly parts, you're going to take those two pieces and set them aside because those are the pieces that you're going to mail back with your mailing label. Box up the rest of the pieces and put it in your garage or in your attic. Don't discard it just yet. Wait until you hear back from Fisher-Price before you discard it. Now, let's say you're one of those people that you have a Rock and Play and you're not concerned about a refund, you just want to get rid of it. Then take it apart as I've just demonstrated. But then with the material pieces that are left, take some scissors and cut those pieces up. Cut them up to the point that they're not usable, and then tie them in a garbage bag and put them out with your garbage. But make sure they're not usable. Don't just set it out at the curb for the garbage man to take away because someone might pick it up, take it home and use it, and we don't want to put any other babies at risk. I put out a video a few days ago about the whole recall business and also best practices for a safe sleep environment. If you missed that video, I'll link it below so that you can take a look at it. Like this video if you like it, and by all means subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.